What is the real cause of hydraulic pump squealing noise? 1. Once the valve plate is warm, the hydraulic pump will produce extremely harsh squealing noise. 2. Abrupt violent vibration of a running hydraulic pump is mostly attributed to damaged valve plate. 3. Sudden drop in pump output flow and working pressure with sharp efficiency decline usually results from valve plate failure. 4. Defective valve plate on piston pump clogs or passages drastically increases internal friction and causes rapid overheating of the pump housing. 5. Unstable fluctuating outlet flow with dramatic swing under variable load is a typical symptom of worn valve plate. Follow to stay updated. See you next episode.